So it's something you don't see every day. You see the tractors going into the sea. What's that? They're going to be hooking this one up. So this is just inside. You can see the old shop, and it's a complete rip out. Look at all that. And welcome back to a brand new video. So it's Bank Holiday Monday today in Blackpool, and it's a little overcast. You can see the sun is being hid by all those thick clouds today, which is a bit of a shame. It's a bit nippy, and there's a bit of a different feel around Blackpool today with the young farmers now gone. But yeah, come and join me on this bit of a walk around on a Bank Holiday Monday in Blackpool. So we're just near the world famous Robert's Oyster Bar, and you can see the little tiny building what was sort of left to rack and ruin. You can see that is now being completely pulled down. Look at that, and he just sort of revealed the old tiles on the wall, the white tiles, and I wonder what's going to be there. I wonder why they pulled that one down. No, it's not in a bad state, but. Yeah, I wonder what's going to be built there now. You can see there's a lot of work going on in that little shop, or used to be a little shop underneath also. So just on Victoria Street, I've got a question for everybody. So, I mean, I'd imagine there will be an answer. But I'm going to ask you the question. You can see on Blackpool Tower, you can see where's all the windows used to be. Was there windows at any time in its life of the tower? You can see they're all bricked up, and if you have a look at the front, there is some windows which run parallel to them. I wonder if there was all windows back in the days and they bricked them up over the years. How interesting would that would be? That's an interesting one. Because like I said, why would they design it like that? You know, as a window frames and they're bricked up. So, you know, I wonder if there was. Let me know if you do know. Very interesting one. So I walk past Blackpool Tower and see there's lorries, all sorts here. So something must be going on inside of the tower, I'd imagine. Some acts or some show, who knows? But yeah, there's all sorts of things happening just near the tower. And you can see that they've got like a ramp there. But yeah, something must be going on. Look at that one, part of the old blockade, you know, where they sort of section things off. And look at that, it's all washed up, it's sort of half sunk in the sand. Where did that come from? If it's from Blackpool or it's floated from a different place. It's amazing what sort of does get sort of thrown in the sea and washed in the sea. Look at that. Carved here, sort of like a starfish in the sand. Look at that, that's an unusual one. I've never seen that. Is it a starfish or a tortoise? Not too sure what that is, but yeah, we'll have a bit of a walk just along the beach. And what a turn up, you know, for that little shop. Wonder what it's going to be. It's a bit of a project, that one. Like I said, the whole of the shop has been ripped apart, and also above. And you can see people have been very busy this morning with the sand. You know, all sorts of circles and shapes and stuff. Look at this one. There's like a huge hole being dug out here. Look at this. What they've been doing here. So despite the huge amount of traffic on the road, unless there's sort of people are trying to find a space to park, it's actually, you know, not that busy in Blackpool, and it's surprising for a bank holiday. And so, you know, like I said, whether people are trying to find that space or not. And so we'll have, like I said, a bit more. In fact, we'll have a bit of a walk into town. And just see, you know, what it's like in town, what's open. There's a lot of shops, you know, closed, which is, again, very, very surprising. And gone are the days where people used to come out for the bank holiday sales. Remember those? They're like a thing of the past nowadays. Everyone used to go out and grab the bargains in. And it seems like everything's online and the sales have disappeared. And that's the Blackpool dungeons there. You can just see on the left-hand side, and the main entrance to Blackpool Tower also. And there's plenty of shows and all sorts going on throughout the year in Blackpool. And a lot of people do ask, where the good fish and chips are in Blackpool. There's so many around, and this one is actually on the market. Yorkshire Fisheries. It's been on for quite a few months now, and I think they're asking about 900,000 if I'm not mistaken. But another great little place. If you are looking for some great food, try this one, Yorkshire Fisheries, just near Iceland. So as many people depart and also arrive in Blackpool, it's another, like I said, it's very, very quiet today. A bit of an eeriness about it. I mean, the weather is not bad, it's not sunny, but it's not rain, it's not cold, it's not windy. But it seems to be a bit of an eeriness about today for some reason. So just next to the tram stop is Law Street, and you can see this building there. I wonder what's going to happen to this one. You see all the windows have been like sort of earmarked. And when they have those numbers in, that means that they're either going to be replaced or something's happened. But it looks a little run down, this building. See all the window frames are all sort of rotten. And I wonder what's going to happen to this one. And this is where all the young farmers was a couple of days ago. And look how quiet it is now. Literally, you can hear a pin drop. Absolutely quiet. There's no one around. A couple of people. Just in bar 19, you see all the bins rammed full with bags from the last couple of days. And like I said, how quiet is it around here? So just near Pop World, and you can see the amount of rubbish in the bags from the last 48 hours. And there's sawdust all over the ground, sawdust everywhere. Must be something to do with the farmers. And just look, all the bins there. Each one of them will be rammed packed. And how quiet it is. And now they've gone. So I do hope you enjoyed today's video. Like I said, a bit of a look around Blackpool, and it's a very, very quiet bank holiday. And like I said, we'll just end the video in Cleveless. Go and have a bit look at looks like there's a little boat, a little paddle boat, just in the distance. We'll have a quick look. Well, that's all about. You just see another tent, and they're a great idea, those are. So looks like we've got a tractor. Not too sure what's going on with this one. And if he wants to move out of the way, I'll move out of the way a little. And I wonder if he's going to hook it up to that boat. There we go. So I think we'll stick with this one for a bit, just see how he hooks it up. And you can see the sea is lovely and calm. Imagine if it was stormy conditions, I'd imagine they wouldn't have taken the boat out. And it's like it's a winch. You can see that. It's like what they use on a 4x4. It's like he's winching it onto the back of the trailer. I like this, something a little different on a bank holiday. So looks like he's now secured the boat on the back of the trailer. And I should ask him for a lift, shouldn't I, all the way back? And there he goes, look at that. Like I said, you don't see that every day. So that was an interesting one, and I just spoke to the guys, really nice guys, and they said unfortunately it's engine failure. They've been working on the boat for 14 months. They took it out in this red hot weather. Everything was great, and unfortunately I had a bit of engine failure today. So let's hope they get that one sorted. And you just see all the clouds. It looks a bit gloomy today as the tide rolls in, and you can see Blackpool Tower right in the distance. Looks so tiny from here. But I think we'll head on back to land and call it a day for this video. So until next time, look after yourselves. Don't forget, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification button. We do cover all sorts of events like the Farmers Weekend and the fireworks, all sorts of shows and festivals. So like I say, it's important to hit that, and you will be notified. Take care, enjoy the rest of your day. It's a bye from me. Bye bye.